The 2016 Social Security Annual Report says that Social Security funds will be completely depleted by 2034. That's a real concern, given that 1 in 3 Americans report that they don't have any retirement savings whatsoever. Only 37% of small businesses in the United States offer a 401k plan or retirement benefit. That leaves 50 million Americans without access to an employer-sponsored retirement plan. So that's the access problem in the United States as it stands right now. But I want to dig a little bit deeper on those participants that actually have plans. These are small businesses already offering plans. So today, this is a typical graphic of a standard 401k offering. You'll notice here all of the different ancillary businesses. These are all third parties that do a very small portion of the overall plan design. Now, the legacy solution in this country was designed 30 years ago. It was essentially created to be deceptive to plan participants in the fees that they pay. So it's not by accident that 60% of plan participants don't know that they're paying any fees at all inside their 401k. It's completely by design, and it's completely intentional. When you dig in here, you'll notice there's plan administrators, record keepers, insurances, compliance, custodians. It's incredibly confusing, and I reckon that that's intentional. Each one of those previous services gets paid a small fee. Those fees add up, and those make up the difference in growth that you see here. It's a lot of money. When you look at those services and you realize they don't bring the value that they're being compensated in the plan, it's time to change something. So we changed the game. At Guideline, simplicity is core to our offering. What we've done is essentially created record keeping. Record keeping is a core service. It's incredibly difficult, but it adds enormous value to our plan. We essentially brought in every single one of those third-party services in-house. We are full stack. What that means is we developed technology to replace all of those services using code. We are essentially the only 401k provider that brings every aspect of servicing a plan in-house. We've changed the game entirely.